Our aim here is to use the graphics calculator to graph some arithmetic sequences and some geometric sequences. We'll start with the arithmetic sequence here. Now our first term is 4. Our common difference is 3. We're going up by 3 every time. So I've got A is 4, D is 3. And here's our little formula for the nth term, and that's essentially what we want to plot. So let's open up our graphics calculator, and we're going to open up a lists and spreadsheet. And we're going to have our two columns with our data here. Our first column, we're going to call that N, and we're going to give it some numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to plot 6 terms. Now, in our second column, this is going to be the actual number of our terms. So we're going to call that Tn, our nth term. Our second entry line here is where we can put formulae in. So I'm going to hit the equals key. And what it's doing is it's defining our term number to be. It's going to be A, which is, coming back over here, our A is 4, our D is 3. So it's going to be 4 plus bracket N minus 1 multiplied by our common difference, which was 3. So we've got our first term, N minus 1, common difference. Hit enter. We get this message here. It's asking whether we want N to be a column or a variable. We want variable. Okay. And it puts all of our numbers in for us. We now want to plot that. So we're going to add a statistics page. Along our x-axis, we want N. And along our y-axis, we want the term. And there is our scatter plot. We can just adjust that a little bit there to make it look a little bit nicer. First term, second term, third term was 10, fourth term was 13. We get a nice linear scatter plot. Let's have a look at a geometric sequence. We're going to start at 100 and we're halving all of our terms. Here is our little formula for our nth term using a geometric sequence. We go through a very similar process. Coming back to our graphics calculator, we'll start a new page. So we're going to insert a new problem. We're going to add another lists and spreadsheet. Again, we're going to call this column N. And we're going to plot 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, this is going to be our nth term. We put our formula in again. So we want our nth term to be equal to A multiplied by our common ratio, which was a half, or 0.5, to the power, so hat key, N minus 1. Enter. We get that message again. N is a variable. Okay. And there's our geometric sequence. Again, we need to do another scatter plot of that. So control, add a page, statistics page. We've got our N down the bottom. We've got our terms on the vertical. And notice we get some nice exponential decay. Our first term is 100, second term is 50, third term is 25. Each term is being halved. Again, we can make our axes look a little bit nicer there. So we've just got nice numbers along the x-axis now.